Hey people, it's Haxpo. This is the new X-Man Shadow 4x4. Just kidding. This is a Yuxin Blue. But this is not any regular Yuxin Blue. It has a WitTwo mod, which people back in the olden days used to do on their Shadow 4x4s. This greatly enhances corner cutting and reverse on the sensors. You can easily do this by rounding off the centers with some sandpaper. If your Yuxin Blue can't reverse half a QB on the centers with these, I would highly recommend this mod. Not only does this mod make mine really unique, but this is also magnetized. The outer layers on this Yuxin Blue is very soft. I used 4x2 and 35 magnets, and they feel just like my magnetic Volk, which has the same magnets. So yeah. The inner layers, however, are noticeably clickier. I used 4x1.5 magnets, and they're supposed to feel like those same magnets Sean from SpeedCube Review used, according to the KJ calculator. They feel like 4x2 and 48 magnets, like my Wogon Yuxin, which has strong magnets too. I actually really like the clickiness of the inner layers because it makes the cube very stable during 3x3 stage, because the inners will never miss a line, and you use the outer layers in most of your solve anyways. So this combination is really nice, but that's just me. I really like this cube. It has dropped my times from around a minute to around 50 seconds. The outer layers feel just like a 3x3, like Kevin Hayes says. And the cube is very stable, meaning there will be like very little lockups, and it's awesome. But you still get some problems the Yuxin Blue has, like inner piece misalignment, but that's fine. In the description, I will show you the pictures of the magnet placements and some tutorials on how you can make one yourself. The making of the magnetic 4x4 is just a magnetic 2x2 and a magnetic 3x3. The magnets I used in this video are from Magnets 365, and I'll leave that in the description. Be aware that one of the magnet placement spots is a very tight fit for 4x1.5mm magnets in the inner layers. You may want to experiment with a smaller magnet like 3x2 N58 or N52 magnets, I mean. I think that will make the inners a little bit softer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But for now, thank you for watching, and here's the solve.